A lot of people ask me how I got into card making, and the first thing that happened is I purchased a card kit, and these are really nice inclusive card kits. They come in a box and they have instructions on the kinds of cards you can make. And when they say all inclusive, it means it comes with the ink, the stamps, and then this one came with this clear block, the adhesives, and all the card bases and the little embellishments that you can use. Now, don't make this same mistake I did. I went and I stamped all my sentiments first, and when I first started out, I was terrible at stamping. And the reason is you don't have to make the cards exactly as they are in the instructions. This thank you card, you can make it as a happy birthday card instead. So for example, I took one of these cards here, and instead of the sample, I made my own little happy birthday. And these little things here are called dimensionals. And I'm just going to peel the stickies off the back. And what happens with the dimensionals is it props up. Of course, I'm on camera. It takes a while to open. Okay, so I'm going to put it over here. And it gives a nice little bit of dimension, makes your card look a little bit more professional. And on the inside, I glued one of the little pop-out air balloons to give it a little bit more pep. So you can do many things with these card kits. Now, that particular card kit can be found in the annual catalog right here. And this is another example of all-inclusive. So it has everything you need. You don't have to buy anything else. And there's another one, a really pretty one, in the spring catalog. Once again, it comes with your little block, your ink, all the card bases you need, and the stamps. And once you're done with the set, you can do whatever you want. You can use those stamp sets for different cards. In fact, I've used this one particular stamp set so many times with other cards. That's why my happy birthday is stained, because I've used this happy birthday so many times. Oh, and the nice thing is, let's say you want to purchase both card kits. Right now it's celebration. So if you purchase 2 card kits, you can get one of these level 1 sets for free. And this paper is really pretty. I just got this myself. And let's say you don't like those particular 2 card kits, or let's say you, hey, I would like a card kit every month for holidays. So there's something really cool called Paper Pumpkin. It's a subscription box. It comes out every month. You can skip a month if you don't like the theme. This one is from November 2020. And Paper Pumpkins are also all-inclusive. The very first time you subscribe, you'll get a block. So just keep this block. And everyone comes with a stamp set. This particular kit was to make gift card holders. So, of course, for the holidays, we're going to be giving out a lot of gift cards, so it's very useful. But once again, you don't have to listen to the directions. You can take the things that you get and you can make cards instead. And once again, it comes with the ink, and every month is a different color ink, so you can build up a nice little ink supply. It comes with the little embellishments, the dimensionals, the glue dots, and then it just introduces you to a whole bunch of different colors, the color palette and supplies. And once again, you can do whatever imagination brings. And this is actually a really hefty stamp set in this one. You can make a lot of things with this. Okay, so if you are interested in subscribing or purchasing any of these things, this is my host code. It'll be in the description. If you have questions, email me, and check out the information in the description below.